Nancy here. Today we're going to be looking at unicorn ribbon. How fun is that? Let's get started. Even though St. Patrick's Day has come and gone, it will be next year. So we're going to start off with some St. Patty's Day unicorns. They're cute. She's got her little clovers on her head with her little gold horn. And this is a 1-inch pattern. And you can find it in my shop. I will leave a link below. And I have to order more. As you can see, I don't have very much left. But the basketball unicorn. She's got her bow on top of her basketball, her little black horn with her black eyelashes. Isn't she adorable? This is a 1-inch pattern. It's got little orange stars in the background. Cute. Very cute. I will be getting more of that in. How about some soccer unicorns? This has got two different patterns. One with just the one soccer ball, with she's got flowers. And this one has the 3 soccer balls. The flowers in the background. One has a gold or yellow horn. One has a black horn. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Let's see. I need to order some more of this. This is all I have left of this one. And this is really very delicate looking. She's got the bouquet of flowers on her head with her gold horn and the confetti coming down on her. Very pretty. And this is a 1-inch pattern. How about a fall unicorn? I've got to order more of this too. This one here, she's got her little, oh heavens, the fall leaves, oh my goodness, help me. Fall leaves on her head with her horn, and she's got orange stars in the background. It's her nice big eyelashes there. Cute for fall. And this is a 1-inch pattern. How about some Christmas unicorn elves, I would say. That's what these are. She's got her elf hat on with her horn coming up out of the back. And her little red cheeks. Her they're pink cheeks with the white background. And this is also a 1-inch. Super cute for Christmas time. And let's see, we've got, this one has got multiple patterns in it. Let me check this one. Yeah, okay, it's a 1-inch. I think all the unicorns are a 1-inch. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different unicorn patterns before it starts to repeat itself. Cute with flowers. This one here has got multicolored mane, different eyelashes, different. This one almost looks like a bunny. Cute. And that again is 1-inch. Let's do some patriotic unicorns. So cute. Let's see, we got 1, 2, we've got 2 different patterns here. One says USA with the stars, and the other one just has a patriotic hairbow. And you've got red and blue and yellow stars in the background. I just love their eyelashes. It's so cute. And this is also a 1-inch pattern. I've got another sports one. It's a football unicorns. She's just got, for her ears, she's got footballs for her ears, and her head is helmets. And then underneath here, where they usually put the black out underneath their eyes, she's got the brown black out there. Her black lashes with the white or the yellow brown stars in the background with the white. Get my colors mixed up. And this is a 1-inch pattern. I'll be ordering some more of that. Let's see, how about Valentine's Day unicorns? This is really cute. The hearts look like they're gold metallic with the different colored hearts in the pink, the purple, the lavender. Her crown has got the hearts. And this is also a 1-inch pattern. Cute for Valentine's Day. Let's see, we got another patriotic one here. Another patriotic one. It's not so busy. And this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. That's very cute. I love the eyelashes. They're so adorable. This one here, she's got little stars on her cheeks. And this is another 1-inch pattern. And I've got another St. Patty's Day pattern. This has got 2 different designs on it. One has got the cluster of the clovers, and the other one has the heart. We've got gold hearts and green hearts in the background. Pink ears with white ribbon. And this is a 7/8. Okay, I know we just went through Easter. We just got through Easter. He has risen. Look at these. Are these not adorable? You've got the regular unicorn ears, and then you have the bunny ears. And they've got their Easter eggs on their crown there. This little guy's got a little pink nose, a little bunny nose. And this is a 7/8 inch pattern. Alright, that's it for the ribbon, but I have other things I want to show you. I carry the headbands for the unicorns, and I'll show you a picture of that up in the corner. Right here up in the corner. Get that spot off my table. Okay, so I'll leave you that. I have different colors, lots of different colors. So if you want, looking for the headbands too, I have those. And then I carry the horns. Now these are a 2-inch horn, and I have those in many different colors. I'll leave a picture up here to show you what I've got. Those again, those are 2-inch. I do carry a couple flatbacks. This is just a regular flat back acrylic, flat on the back. And like I said before, to get these to really stick, you need to get something and cut into this, like, you know, scratch it up really good so that that glue goes down into that acrylic and sticks. And then I have another one for the soccer ribbon. And it's the same thing, flat on the back, made of acrylic. Okay, so I got those. And then I have 5-inch horns. And I will be putting a picture of these up. This is like a multicolored. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Yeah, I'll stick a picture of these up so you can see the different colors that I have. And you find all of these in my shop. Like I said, I'll leave a link below. And then I also carry the flowers. Like people usually put, you know, the flowers on the crown like that. And then they put their unicorn horn up there. Anyway, I carry the flowers. I'll put a picture up here of the flowers. And there'll be, I do have more than what's in that picture. It wouldn't pick it up in the camera. And then I have the ears. And these are those ears that, this is the aqua, and it changes colors. If you flip it, it's gold, or purple, I'm sorry, it's purple. So you got aqua on one side, and you've got purple on the other side. And I'll put a picture of those up. And then this one is multicolored. Cool. And if you have it go the other way, it's silver. Okay. Well, that's it for me today, everybody. I want to thank you for joining me. If you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and the bell, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you. Bye-bye.